This epoxy table is a stunning fusion of natural wood and modern resin artistry. The design immediately stands out with its rich live-edged wood slab, beautifully preserved to showcase the intricate grain and natural knot. The contrast between the organic warmth of the wood and the sleek, deep black resin creates a bold contemporary look that would elevate any high-end dining space. The most unique feature is the embedded spice compartment, which add a level of artistry and cultural depth rarely seen in epoxy furniture. The circular inlays, each filled with a variety of spices, introduce color, texture, and an interactive storytelling element, making the table a conversation piece. The resin pour appears smooth with a high gloss finish that enhances depth and sophistication. The metal legs provide a steady industrial touch, balancing the table's visual weight. This epoxy river table is nothing short of breathtaking, blending natural elements with artistic resin work to create an almost lifelike oceanic scene. The rich golden brown bellwood pieces are arranged like scattered islands, surrounded by deep teal resin that mimics tropical waters. The addition of floating white resin accent is a brilliant touch as it creates the illusion of waves crashing against the wood, making the table feel alive with motion. From a craftsmanship perspective, this piece demonstrates masterful execution. The wood selection is exceptional, full of intricate grain patterns, voids, and live edges that enhance the organic feel. The resin work is remarkably clear, ensuring that the depth and vibrancy of the colors remain undistorted. Achieving this level of clarity requires precise mixing, bubble removal, and careful curing. The high gloss finish enhances the visual impact and also provides a durable protective surface. This epoxy river table is a stunning blend of organic wood and modern resin artistry. The natural slab of live-edged wood serves as the focal points with deep golden hues and intricate grain patterns. The irregular edges and natural voids within the wood have been preserved beautifully, giving the table a raw and refined elegance. The choice of epoxy color is particularly striking. The metallic silver gray resin creates a mesmerizing contrast, resembling flowing molten metal or misty river current. Achieving this level of depth and movement in epoxy requires careful pigment mixing and layering during the pouring process. The seamless integration between wood and resin suggests expert craftsmanship, ensuring a smooth transition without noticeable gaps or imperfections. This epoxy river table is a breathtaking fusion of nature and artistry. The walnut wood slab exhibits rich organic grain patterns with stunning live edges that enhance the natural aesthetic. The contrast between the darker heartwood and the lighter sapwood creates depth and character, making each section of the table unique. What really stands out is the epoxy river, crafted with a striking ocean blue hue. The transparency and swelling effect in the resin mimic flowing water, giving the table an almost lifelike movement. Achieving this level of clarity and depth requires expert epoxy work, including proper pigment dispersion and bubble-free curing. The table's seamless integration of wood and resin showcases high-end craftsmanship, ensuring a smooth and durable finish. This epoxy table is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, blending natural live-edged wood with crystal clear epoxy resin to enhance its organic beauty. The wood slab has a rich grain pattern with deep earthy tones that contrast beautifully with the transparent resin. The decision to use clear epoxy instead of a colored or opaque variant allows the natural form of the wood to shine, giving it a floating, almost weightless effect while preserving its raw edges. The seamless resin integration showcases expert pouring and curing techniques. There are no visible bubbles, cracks, or uneven finishes, which indicate meticulous attention to detail. The matching chairs with epoxy-infused armrests create a cohesive aesthetic, elevating this from just a table to a designer statement piece. The choice of a solid wood base rather than metal legs add a natural organic continuity to the entire set. From a design perspective, this piece strikes the perfect balance between luxury and functionality. Thank you for being part of our creative journey. If this video lighted a spark or inspired your project, don't let the idea stop here. Hit like, share it with fellow creators, and subscribe to join a community that thrives on innovation. tap the notification bell and make sure you are always ahead of the curve with our latest inspiration. See you in the next video.